The other day I was searching on Pinterest for some inspo, and I recently started knitting, and I saw I think it's called the Sophie scarf from Petite Knit. So it's actually a knitted scarf, but I'm not that good at knitting yet, so I tried to recreate this Sophie scarf as a crochet project. I picked this amazing, it's called Friends Kid Silk. So I picked this because it's very fine. I also picked it in this dreamy purple. I want to make a scarf in each color. And I have this, yes, you can see it's very thin. And I picked these two colors, and I am gonna do a video tutorial for this scarf soon. So stay tuned if you want to see how I'm gonna make this scarf. I want to show you some other scarves, petite scarves. I think I will call it petite scarf. It's actually not called like this, but I will show you the other ones I already made with a different yarn. I made one in this, it's a pure cotton yarn, and I already made this one, but it turned out to be a little bit too short because I ran out of yarn. So now it's very petite. And it's also not really my color. It's a little bit a cold color, but it's still so pretty, and somehow these scarves are very addictive to make. That's my old cat, I'm swaddling her. So I made another one here. I also ran out of yarn and tried to make it in two colors, but somehow it turned out to look like Harry Potter. And it has something to it, but I think it's not so much my vibe, but it's still fine, yeah. I think this is a milk cotton, and this is some leftover alpaca mix, I also think also from Hobby. And this one is my favorite so far. It's also pure cotton. I think I used something from Rico Rumi. I forgot how this yarn is called, but it has a color gradient. This one is my favorite so far because I really love this red. And then I made one in purple. This one actually, I think it has a good length, but I am not really feeling the color gradient here. Somehow here I'm not liking it that much, and also it's a cold color, it's not really my color, and as you can see with cotton it's not perfect for this scarf. So that's why I picked this silk yarn, because I had some leftover of the same yarn, and this is the scarf that turned out the best so far. It's beautiful and stretchy, and it's so soft. I'm very sensitive to scratchy things around my neck, so this one I think is the best one so far. It's just a tad too long, I think. It's just my personal opinion. I think I will design it a little bit shorter, but of course one can always adjust the length to one's liking. I already asked you guys on Instagram if you're interested in a free video tutorial, so some of you replied yes, so I will make one because I just love this scarf so much, and I'm so happy how it turned out in the crochet version. As you can see, they are very addictive. I already made so many, and yeah, I hope you guys will also like the tutorial, and please stay tuned.